Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this gorgeous Christmas decoration idea, or you can say Christmas decoration piece, which is made using waste plastic bottle. Yes, this is completely made using plastic bottle and it's looking fantabulous. I have created small snowman, Christmas tree, and also the flower decoration is handmade. You can just gift it to anyone in this upcoming festive season. So let's get started. So here I am taking this cold drink plastic bottle and I am going to cut this from here and here using paper cutter. Be careful while cutting the plastic bottle. So here I have just divided this like this. You can just clean the bottle from inside and outside using clean cloth. Now I am starting with making the base. So here I am taking 60 strips of off-white color 5 mm and I am joining these strips and making the big tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So just join these strips one by one and make a big tight coil. And we have reached till the last strip. Just secure it using glue. This is quite huge. You can also use cardboard as a base, but I thought quilling base will look more nice. I'm just flattening it using tool, and now the diameter of your bottle base should be same as this quilling base. Here I have prepared one more tight coil using 14 strips of off-white 5 mm, and now I am making one small dome using my fingers and I will add this dome on top of the bottle. Just add glue inside the dome and spread it using brush. And this is done. Now take back your big base and I am going to color this using white acrylic color. Also, I am coloring this dome from inside using same white acrylic color. Allow it to dry. Now I am starting with making the snowman. So here I am taking 3 strips of white color 3 mm and making one dome shape. I am using my quilling mold to make a dome. Add glue inside this, and in the same way I have already prepared one more dome of same size, so I am just joining both the domes with each other and face of snowman is ready. And I have already prepared one more dome for the body. For this I have used 5 strips of 3 mm white color. So face and body is done. Now I am going to connect face with the body. Then starting with making the legs. So here I have prepared 2 domes using 1 strips of white color 3 mm. I have joined these domes like this, and on top of this I will connect the snowman. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of brown color 3 mm and making one cone for hands. Same way we need one more. Then this tight coil dome is made using 3 strips of red color 3 mm and one small orange cone for the beak of snowman. Now I am going to join all the parts. And the cute snowman is ready. Now I'm starting with making the Christmas tree. So here I'm taking 1/4 strip of light green color 3 mm and making one leaf shape. Same way we need total 6 leaf shape. Now I'm joining these petals and making 6 petal flower. Similarly, we need one more same flower, 2 flowers which are made using 1/3 strip of medium green color, 2 flowers are made using half strip of green color, and 3 flowers are made using 1 strip of dark green color. All are 3 mm strips, and one tight coil using 1 strip of 15 mm olive green strip. So first I am just assembling my tree. So in the bottom I am adding the largest flower, and then I will decrease the size of flowers as I will go on top. In the bottom I am connecting the trunk of the tree like this. Then here I have prepared one cone using 1 strip of light green color 3 mm, and I am going to stick this cone on top of the tree like this, and the cute Christmas tree is ready. Allow it to dry completely. Then taking back the base, and I am going to stick snowman and the tree on top of this. Then just add little glue here, and I am pouring some thermocol balls here and there just to fill the base. We need to fill whole area of the base using these thermocol balls, so it will look like a snow. And similarly just complete this for other part, and I have added snowballs on all over the base. So this is done. Now I will show you how to create small cute gifts. So here I am taking some small pieces of mound board. You can also use cardboard pieces. Just joining 4 pieces together and wrapping this bunch using red color paper, and just packing it like a gift box. and the cute gift is ready. In the same way, we can create different sizes gifts with the same procedure. So I have already prepared some more. Now I'm going to connect these gifts here and there like this. And this is done. Now taking back my bottle cutout, and I'm going to stick it with this. So for sticking purpose, I'm using B6000 glue. Just add little glue on the edge of this tight coil and then stick your bottle cutout. So this is fixed. Now with this top dome, I have just hanged one snowflake cutout using silver paper, and I have taken one thread to hang this. And now to connect this top dome also, I am using B6000 glue. Since this is a plastic, so we need some strong adhesive to stick our domes, and then just stick it like this. And our basic showpiece is ready. Now I am just decorating the bottom edge of the showpiece using this beautiful design. This is a border design. You can use any border punch for this. Like this. Then I am starting with some flower decoration. So here I am taking 5 petal poinsettia flower and just coloring from both the side using carnation red archival ink, and also taking this holy leaf, and I am using light green color to color this. Then just adding little cobalt blue on the leaf and in the center of the flower just to darken it little bit. Now I am adding little water, spraying it. Just soak the excess water using tissue paper. And I am doing the shaping using embossing pad and groove golf tool. This is a small size groove golf tool. Just rotate the flower and pinch in the center using ball tool. In the same way, I have prepared one more big and one small flower. Just layer all the petals together and make your flower. For the center of the flower, I am using white color microfine pearls. And the flower is ready. In the same way, we need total 2 big flowers and 3 small flowers and some leaves. Then taking back my showpiece, and I will start decorating it using my handmade flowers from one corner. So to stick the flowers, I am using B6000 glue again. After adding all the flowers and leaves, our beautiful and very cute showpiece is ready. It's looking fabulous, just looking like a ready-made gift. And I have also added these silver scroll cutouts here and there just to decorate it little more. So you can use anything which you have to decorate this, like ribbons or glitter balls or anything which you have, you can use to decorate this. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.